Federal lawsuit has been filed challenging a state law prohibiting adults ages 18 to 20 from acquiring, possessing, or carrying semi-automatic firearms and handguns. Western Mass News reporter Taylor Smith joins us live in studio with more on the challenge. Taylor, who filed this lawsuit?
Well, Amanda, the Second Amendment Foundation, along with the National Rifle Association, the Gun Owners Action League, the Commonwealth Second Amendment, the Firearm Policy Coalition, and a private citizen are all challenging this law. Now, the case, Escher v. Mason, argues that the law violates the Second Amendment and unfairly denies young adults their constitutional rights. Now, the defendants of this lawsuit are Colonel Christopher Mason, Superintendent of the Massachusetts State Police, and the Chief of Police in Brewster. Now, the lawsuit is part of a broader effort by gun rights organizations to challenge state and local firearm restrictions in the wake of recent Supreme Court rulings that have strengthened Second Amendment protections. Now, this lawsuit targets provisions of a Massachusetts House bill, which Governor Maura Healey signed into law back in July of last year. And prosecutors argue that the statute is unconstitutional and denies young adults the ability to own and carry semi-automatic firearms and handguns despite their status as adults. Now, the outcome could have significant implications for similar laws in other states that impose age-based restrictions on firearm ownership. And now, if the court rules in favor of the plaintiffs, it could have a domino effect for striking down other lawsuits laws that possibly limit the Second Amendment rights of young adults. We'll have more details on this story and share with that later today. Reporting live in the studio this morning, Taylor Smith, Western Mass News.